part is true. So any little product has a ceiling too. Take two single digits, let them dance in your head. Their answer must be smaller than the small 1 times 10. So if I know the smaller factor, I can start the chase. Cause that 1 times 10 puts a cap on the place. The product's under that, so I don't have to guess. I can lock in the tens before I think of the rest. It's 1 less or 2 less, that's how the story goes. Look at the smaller factor, that's the one that knows. For almost every fact that's living in your head, the tens are 1 or 2 less than the smaller digit said. 1 less or 2 less, listen to the clue. We've shrunk the field of choices down to very, very few. Magisterial multiplication cuts the mess. Cause the tens are 1 less or 2 less. Or 2 less.
Skip those middle twins that match up in a row.
3, 3, 4, 4.
5, 5, that's the show.
6, 6, 7, 7.
They're a special crew. They're tens of 3 less, but they're just a few.
Everywhere else from the tables that you see, zeros off the stage and the middle twins are free.
Look at the small factor, then slide back 1 or 2, and that will be the tens that are waving back at you. It's
1 less or 2 less, that's how the story goes.
look at the smaller factor.
That's the one that knows. For almost every fact that's living in your
The
head,
tens are 1 or 2 less.
then the smaller digit said. 1 less or 2 less, listen to the clue. We've shrunk the field of choices down to very, very few. Magisterial multiplication cuts the mess. Cause the tens are 1 less or 2 less.
4 times 7, what could it be?
Smaller one is 4.
So we look and see.
1 less than 4.
That gives us 3.
2 less than 4.
That gives us 2.
So it's 20 something or 30 something too.
8 times 6 is on the line.
Smaller one is 6, and that's just fine.
1 less than 6.
That tens is 5.
2 less than 6.
That tens is 4.
So 40 or 50 something, nothing more.
5 times 9 steps into view.
Smaller one is 5, so what do we do?
1 less than 5.
That tens is 4.
2 less than 5.
That tens is 3.
Say 30 or 40 something. That's all it can be. First pick the smaller, then count back slow.
1 step, 2 steps, that's as far as you go.
Those are your tens, no need to roam.
You just narrow down the neighborhood of every product. Oh!
Why does this work? Let's reason it through.
Small times 10 is a ceiling made just for you.
4 times 7 must be less than 40's line.
6 times 8 less than 60.
Every time, so the tens can't equal the smaller one at all.
They have to sit just under.
Standing slightly small.
And when you scan the table from beginning to the end, you'll find
1 less or 2 less is your